and we are going to be doing our experiments on rates of reaction.
So for this experiment, we're going to be doing the rate of reaction with regards to temperature. So we're going to be installing 3 soluble tablets into cup A, which is hot water, cup B, which is room temperature water, and cup C, which is cold water. We've already taken the temperatures of these cups, and for the room temperature water, it was 28 degrees Celsius.
For the hot temperature water, it was 38 degrees Celsius.
And for the cold temperature water, it was 9 degrees Celsius. Now we're going to insert the tablets at the same time and record the time to see how long it dissolves.
As my associate gets the timer ready.
Okay, we're ready to go.
In 3, 2, 1.
And the clock starts now. So the hot one is going subsequently a lot faster because we all know that he has a good effect on rate of reaction. Room temperature is going same very fast, but a little bit slower, and cold is just taking its time because
it's a sloth.
Yeah.
And enjoys going slow. And so hot is done at 25.7 seconds. Room temperature will be done.
Done right now, and that is 10 seconds. Sorry, 25. And cold just taking its time.
So I will just write in the graph.
So while we wait for the cold temperature, we have 25.7 seconds. For the room temperature water, it took 35 seconds, and we're still waiting on the cold water. So
just taking our time, taking its time, taking its time. just waiting on it. And as you can see in both the room and the hot, you can still see the excess of the Alka-Seltzer, so the tablet that we dissolved.
If you look inside the cups right here, you can see the little remnants of it, so the little parts of it still on the outside rim of the glass. Hot water not so much, but the room temperature has some of the residue left.
Whereas with the cold, you can even start to see some of the remains left, and it is very thick. Whereas with everything else, it's very thin. And it's very transparent, whereas this is very much opaque.
Both A and B are actually transparent. You can see right through them. It kind of looks like if you guys ever drank 7-Up or Fresca, it kind of looks the same deal, the same kind of the way it appears.
And it looks like cold is almost done. It's slowly starting to rise to the top. And the interesting thing about these tablets is that as it's getting closer to dissolving, as you've seen it before in the video with hot and with room, it slowly starts to rise to the top. So if you can see really closely, it's starting to rise, and it will be done momentarily. Almost there. It looks like a snowflake now. And it is almost done. Almost done.
Are we done?
I don't know. We got a little bit more left. It's just like a really small amount.
Okay, we're done. And for the cold water, the time it took for the Alka-Seltzer tablet to dissolve is 2 minutes and 28 seconds. So once again, for the first one, for the hot water cup, cup A, that's 25 seconds. For cup B, it's 35 seconds. And for cup C, which is the really cold water, it's 2 minutes and 28 seconds. So there's a lot of time difference between the cup A and cup B as opposed to cup C. And now, when we come back, we are going to graph the temperatures as opposed to the dissolving rate, and show you on the graph. See you in a bit.